So, in the adventures of doing all things Lothcat at the moment, I found myself on an eBay adventure that may or may not have resulted in a new friend. That's right. We found one of the interactive Lothcats from Disney. And he fully works. And apparently he's not a fan of tail touching. Oh, he's spicy. As much as I love a lot of the charm and very bench-like proportions that we have going on here, I was entertaining the idea of actually reskinning it and making it just a little more to our style. So what do you guys think? Clean him up? Keep all of the features? Or should we give him a little upgrade? But for now, he'll just live on top of Sabine's helmet along with Rocco.